మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఒకవేళ కానీ మీకు బ్యాక్లాగ్ పేపర్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ అకౌంటింగ్లో కానీ ఉన్నట్లయితే ఈరోజు నేను చూపించే క్వశ్చన్స్ కంపల్సరీ ప్రిపేర్ అయిపోండి అమ్మ చక్కగా. టైం ఉంది కదా అని చెప్పి టైం వేస్ట్ చేసుకోకండి. చూడండి, ఫైనాన్షియల్ అకౌంటింగ్లో థియరీ మనం కంపల్సరీ ప్రిపేర్ కావాలి. అడగొచ్చు, సార్ మీరు థియరీయే చెప్తారేంటని చెప్పి. అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి ఆన్సర్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి అమ్మ నా దగ్గర. డిఫైన్ అకౌంటింగ్. అమ్మ మీరు అకౌంటింగ్ డిఫైన్ చేయమంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ బై రైటింగ్ అకౌంటింగ్ ఈజ్ అ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆఫ్ బిజినెస్. The recording, analyzing and classifying and reporting the financial transactions of the business concern is known as accounting. It's a language of business, amma. So who are the parties interested in accounting? What are the accounting concepts? Users of subsidiary books. The subdivision of the journal into 8 parts is known as subsidiary books. Instead of writing the journal entries directly, you can post it into ledgers. 8 subsidiary books are there: purchase returns, sales returns, likewise. It will save the time. Double entry, giving entry for the benefit which is coming and the benefit which is going is known as double entry. And there are some limitations for accounting, my dear students. It is historical in nature. If something happens, then only we will be able to record in the books. That is also one of the limitation. And accounting will take information from various sources. If the sources gives wrong, the accounts will be wrong only. There is a possibility of manipulations in accounting. These are all limitations of accounting. And there are 3 branches of accounting, my dear students, like financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting. And BRS is known as bank reconciliation statement. When there is a differences between the balance shown by the cash book and passbook, periodically we prepare a statement by name bank reconciliation statement. The reasons for differences are checks issued but not presented, checks deposited but not collected, interest debited or credited only in passbook, likewise. Then trial balance. It is prepared before the preparation of final accounts. It's a statement showing all the debit and credit balances of the ledger accounts, my dear students. See, my dear students, by watching this video, you will be able to know who are the parties interested in accounting and what are the branches of accounting, what are the accounting concepts. My dear student, this time we are expecting a 4 marks question and accounting conventions. Money measurement says only the transactions which can be measured in terms of money are recorded in the books of accounts. My dear students, other than this, I request you to prepare one final account. 3 or 4 final accounts I kept in my videos. Then after that you have to prepare depreciation and BRS problem and writing of journal entries. My dear students, hope you know the rule of personal account is to debit the receiver and credit the giver. Tell me, debit the receiver and credit the giver. And the rule of real account is debit what comes into the business and credit what goes out of the business. And nominal account is, my dear students, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes, gains and profits. And accounting equation, my dear students, this video is very very useful to you. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities, likewise. See, my dear students, wishing you all the best. This is the way of preparing. First you should know define accounting. It's a language of business. The recording part is known as bookkeeping. Keeping the books for the business transactions is known as bookkeeping. And accounting cycle, my dear students, it begins with a transaction and a recording in journal, ledger balancing, trial balance, final account. The circle is known as accounting cycle. Wish you all the best, my dear students. Do follow all my videos and my classes. My request is don't waste the time. Don't waste the time. Start preparing.